Hey everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your oil change light and your maintenance light on your 2020 to 2023 Lexus GX460. It's a little bit different than the 2019 and prior. So first thing first, you'll be utilizing this directional pad here, up, right, down, left. Then this is your back button. The center one is your select button. So to start, you're going to hit your start stop button twice. You're going to hit the back button on your steering wheel, and it's going to send you to your menu. So you can see up at the top there, I'm switching back and forth, right? All right, so from here, I go to the left, and it takes me to the gear or to the cog there. You're going to scroll down to vehicle settings. You're going to enter into that with the center button. You're going to come down to scheduled maintenance. You're going to click that. Schedule maintenance reset data, yes. Then you're going to go down to oil maintenance. Oil maintenance reset data, yes. There you go. Your mileage is reset for your maintenance interval, and the oil life is reset as well. And there you have it.